Hi, everybody. My name is Angela Johnson. I live in Nampa, Idaho, and absolutely love it here. I go by the names and titles of wife to one, mom to seven, ma in law to two, and Grammy to four. I met my sweetheart when I was just 11 years old. He was about 15 at the time. He became my best friend through high school, my favorite pen pal as he served a mission, and the sweetest dream come true in my life when he made me his eternal companion. We have two beautiful daughters, both of whom are married and who have made one very sad choice in life, even though they are doing good and have been sealed in the temple and are striving in all ways to complete college degrees and to grow and progress in establishing and building their own lives with their spouses. They are keeping our four darling granddaughters hostage in North Carolina and Florida as they do so. And that's so far away, and we miss them. But we're proud of them and do all we can to stay in close contact. Here at home, we still have our five sons who are going to school, working, adventuring, and returning from and leaving on missions, and on a regular basis, eating me out of house and home. We have a little hobby farm with goats, chickens, various crops, and fruit trees that provide us with cheeses and soap that I make from the goat milk, different fruits and vegetables that we eat and also preserve. And one thing that we do is try to make this little farm self-sustaining through the sale of goats and the growth of various crops that can be utilized. And so far, we're pretty successful at it. This endeavor, this work, however, also helps us to get a good night's sleep most days of the week. In our spare time, we as a family enjoy hiking and running, lifting, climbing, and finding a wide variety of outdoor distractions. I have learned that my top learning style is defined as being a concrete, random thinker. What this means is, according to the reading material, I am an experimenter, that I tend to take a trial and error approach, that I have a strong need to find alternatives, and that I tend to be rather independently minded, liking doing things my own way. That might sound rather negative in its nature. However, I can recognize in my life how, in varied ways, that has helped me to grow progressively, independently. This is what I hope to apply and grow in as I learn in this course. I hope to better understand others. I hope to grow in my ability to help others. And I also hope to increase my own knowledge, testimony, and personal understanding. I look forward to working with you all this semester.